Hey, it's Greg Miliadis, and today I wanted to show you something that I see a lot of attorneys and paralegals having to do at a lot of law firms. So if you're still doing this manually, you'll recognize what it is as soon as I kind of walk through it and realize how frustrating it is. So this is really common with a lot of government websites, federal, state, county, especially if you practice and have matters or cases in a lot of different counties in your state. It can be pretty cumbersome to do it manually. So the gist of this is basically you need to look up the case details on the government website or whatever website it is, not in your case management system, but on the government website. So you'll have to go hunt for the URL for the website. You'll find it, you'll open the URL, then you realize, oh, I got to find my login and password, dig around for that, and then you enter your login and password. Then you've got to hunt for the case ID, which is usually in your case management system. Find that, and then you'll enter the case ID, and then finally you get to view the case details on that government website. So if you had to do this like one time, it wouldn't be a big deal. But typically, for the firms and for the attorneys and paralegals that I see doing this, they have to do this again and again and again every day, like multiple times a day and every day. So it becomes really kind of a cumbersome pain in the butt kind of process. The thing is, though, there's an easier way. And I've actually built a number of these automations for a bunch of law firms, clients that I have. And let's take a real quick look and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's take a look at what that automation looks like from here. So I'm in a matter here, and here's the case ID, this big, long, giant thing. And we're going to look at it for a particular county. So all I need to do is I'm going to click this button here, this big, giant button, and watch the automation happen. So I'm going to click this, and it's going to open up a browser window down here. Quickly maximize that so you can see what's happening. It's going to enter in the case sequence number there, and it's going to take me right to the case details. This happens to be in Duval County that I've automated the site for. If I look at another case, this will be in Orange County. Let's do the same kind of deal. So it's going to auto log in. It's going to input my case number, do the search, find it, and then go to the case details page. And there we go. Okay, so as you can see, that's way simpler than having to do it manually. And you can automate basically any site that I've had a client ask for, I've been able to automate. So if you need any questions or if you think that this would be useful for your firm, just give me a holler and we can talk about what you're doing and how I might be able to help.